Hello, my name is Mirsaid Abdullaev. This is test video number 1, corresponding to test 1 in my test plan as outlined in my write-up. Test 1 will be testing the sync form object, which is shown on the screen, and test 1 is composed of test 1.1, 1.2, and 1.3, where 1.1 will be checking the safety against spam clicking of the synchronize button. Test 1.2 will be checking whether we can close the application safely mid-synchronization process, and test 1.3 will be checking user inputs into the minor or non-minor field. So for test 1.1, the typical input data is clicking once, and as we can see, it throws up our minor choice form where I will just click yes for now. And as you can see, the synchronization process has started. The is minor field is set to true as we've typed yes. Now we can test the extreme data of spam clicking, and as you can see, nothing is breaking or shutting down. The application is still fully responsive despite online synchronization happening in the background, and this shows test 1.1 as being fully complete. Test 1.2 checks whether the user can close the form midway through the synchronization process, and this is important because online synchronization taking place will mean that there are lots of active listeners, servers, and clients waiting to respond based on any data coming in. So we'll now begin the online synchronization, and as we can see, the status updates. We're looking for nodes in the background. Is minor set to true. Now when we click close, the application successfully exits. So that shows a successful completion of test number 1.2. Test 1.3 will be checking the is minor field validation for the program when the user inputs yes or no or any potential erroneous input into the text box. So this will be done through I have two application instances open to test both an acceptable input and an erroneous input. So for the first one, I will type yes and click OK. As you can see, synchronization has started and is minor is set to true. And I'll close this instance now. Close that one. So this is the second one. And my erroneous input is QWERTY. And if I click OK, is minor is set to false, and we still carry on with online synchronization without any fail. So test 1.3 is complete and successful. This therefore marks the end of test 1, and as all sub-tests have been successfully completed, test 1 is fully passed.